What's up and welcome to the video. So in today's video we will talk about the $500 per month strategy, and yeah, this video is gonna be a little bit shorter because it's pretty easy and pretty simple to explain this strategy, but I just wanted to mention that strategy here inside the Instagram University 3.0 because it's a great way to just make some extra money with your Instagram account. Actually, with one of my accounts, it's called Fuck Millions Make Billions. You know, that strategy makes like an extra 3-4 grand or something like that per month. And all that 24/7 on autopilot. Why? Because look, I basically have this page. It's called Fuck Millions Make Billions. It's like 500,000 followers. And what I do on that page is I sometimes sell shoutouts. So you can see right here. Here's a shoutout. Has like 2,600 likes. And like this guy over here, this is his Instagram account. He purchased a shoutout on my account, and not just one shoutout, but multiple shoutouts. And you can see it here on the Fuck Millions Make Billions account. Here's a shoutout, here's another one, and he pays, I think, every single week for it. And like, I just get the PayPal notification, the money comes to my PayPal, and I don't have to do anything for it. Why? Because I have an account manager on my account. He does the posts, he schedules the promotions, and he gets like a 25% commission for each shoutout that he sells. Okay, so what you can basically do is at the beginning, sure, you can do it yourself, but maybe later on you want to automate it. You can just get someone into your Instagram account's DM, and you know, you will get requests probably on a daily basis, whether you sell shoutouts and stuff like that, and you can then just sell shoutouts like, I don't know, like 2, 3, 4 times per week, and charge like $100 or whatever, depending on how big your account is for that, right? So yeah, that's basically the strategy. You can sell shoutouts on your account depending on what kind of account you have. Like if you have a personal brand, you can charge more for it. If you, for example, have a personal brand with 10,000 followers, and you know, you build a very strong community, you build your brand, you can then even charge like 2 grand or something for just one shoutout, right? If you have a theme page like this, like Fuck Millions Make Billions, for example, you can charge like $150, $200 for a post like this, and yeah, that's basically the strategy. And you can, like, I call it the $500 per month strategy, because look, I wouldn't upload too many promotions or too many shoutouts, because basically that destroys your account a little bit if you do it too often. But you can just sometimes do it, you know, in the Instagram story, in the feed. You can even like have the link in your bio and stuff. Like he has the link in the bio too, and he promotes his free Amazon training or whatever. Like this guy that bought the shoutout on Fuck Millions Make Billions. And yeah, it's called the $500 per month strategy, because you could, with it, you can actually like easily, like just on autopilot, make an extra $500 per month of 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, depending on how many shoutouts you run and how many or promotions and how big your account is, right? But yeah, that's basically it for the strategy. You can do it in any account. It just is some extra income that you can easily make. And yeah, that's it for the video. Pretty short, pretty simple. Just wanted to mention this inside the Instagram University 3.0, because it's actually one of the strategies that make me a lot of money too. And I think if you like build a page in like a specific niche, and if you follow your red line, if you have great content, then you can like make a lot of money with it. Because if you have great content and if you build a brand, which only a few people do on Instagram, then you can put your price up, and like all the people, all the brands, all the companies will come to you and will actually pay you for it, right? And that doesn't just work for theme pages like this, it also works for personal brands. For example, like like a week ago or something, a company, it's called Golden Black. Yes, there we go. I think it's this page. They messaged me and they told me, "Yo, Niklas, we like what you do, and we would love to like send you some of our stuff, and yeah, we would love to like get promoted from you." And yeah, they sent over like a wallet and a case for a phone. It's pretty awesome, pretty badass, and yeah, it was free. They just sent it over. I just gave them a shout out in my Instagram story. And yeah, that's it. Like, I did it for free, but what you can also do is obviously you can charge for it, okay? So if you want to do that, lots of companies pay for stuff like this, okay? They pay for shoutouts, and if you build a personal brand or in general a page in a specific niche, and you build a strong brand, and if you have great content, then you can charge a lot of money for promotions. And yeah, that's basically it for the video. I hope it helped you. I hope you got some value from the video. And yeah, just give it a try, sell some shoutouts, make some money with it, and yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching.